Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Today we're back out at SilverLeaf as promised, specifically Elm Creek by Richmond American. It's been a little while since we've been in here, so I wanted to give you guys a new tour of the community, show you what's going on, let you know what's still available in here, and we'll all learn a little bit together. So come on along, we appreciate you guys. All right, gang, I thought maybe we'd take a look at the dog park for you guys here at Elm Creek. Looks like that's the entry space, but looks like a pretty cool little place. Thought I'd throw this in the video, let you guys see. We got some activities for the pups, and it's all it's not real grass, it's like the astroturf stuff, so super easy to clean up, probably drains really well as well. So anyway, just wanted to make sure you guys saw this as well. And just past the dog park, we have a nice sitting area over here right on this pond. Let's go check that out as well. Pretty cool. Look at this, very nice. Little contemplative spot. Looks like we got a busted chair there, but a little contemplative spot, very nice. And this is in behind the model center. These are all the models right in there. Okay. All right, gang. Here we go. We're passing the model center. Now you have multiple models here. We have the Moonstone, the Agate, the Palm, the Beach, and those I videoed quite a while ago. But I didn't have the Palm, so that's a brand new one I just did today. That'll be up on the playlist along with the older ones. Now, Elm Creek, 40s and 50s home sites, about 130-ish deep on the average. 201 home sites overall, and about 30 or so that are still available. They're all inventory homes. You can't build from scratch. And I was told today that Richmond American has now gone to that, like a lot of production builders have. So beautiful community. There's been a bunch of people I've been out seeing walking around, wandering with their puppies and this, that, and kids and so on. So very, like all new communities, such a vibrant little place. And it's only 200 home sites, 201. So you'll probably, if you lived here, you'd probably get to know darn near everybody. HOA, $1,900 a year, which is $700 of it is for Elm Creek, and the other $1,200 is the master HOA for SilverLeaf. On our left here, you can see people have set up the tunnels for Christmas lights. I bet it's pretty cool here in the evening hours. So a lot of that stuff you're seeing in the new communities. You know, we're kind of going back to that old world where communities were indeed a community and not just a bunch of houses piled up next to each other. Like I said, you see people walking around the neighborhoods, talking to the neighbors, and just kind of hanging out, having gatherings. So pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's see, what else can I tell you about Elm Creek? If we take a right here, which I did before, so I don't want to do it again, but I will interject this piece of the community into the video. They're having a gathering down there and they're setting up for it, so I don't want to keep driving through their spaces. A bunch of little ones running around down there. We'll take a little ride down here. This is an unusual part of the community. It's got pavers. The streets are pavered. Now, paver driveways are standard in here, but looks like they're getting ready, or they're in the middle of, or getting ready to have a gathering, a community gathering. So I'm gonna take a little spin through here. I don't want to hurt anybody. Gentleman in his ho pajamas, very nice. It's going to be kind of a fun time down in here. So a lot of family activities in these newer communities. So you're starting to see more and more of that these days. So let me cut a nice tight circle here so I don't hurt anybody. Got little ones running around. I'll make sure I don't get in anybody's way. Very cool. So Elm Creek's pretty nice. It's only, like I said, it's 200 home sites, so you're probably going to get to know the majority of people. And I did ask the site agents why this is pavered. It kind of started that way, and I'm not sure. He didn't know if they were going to do models over here originally or not, but again, there's just the first homes they sold in here, basically. So these are all under construction. A lot of them are available. Some are sold, but a lot of them are available. There's 2 stories, single stories, different directions, facing different directions. Some with pretty good sized backyards. So there's an available home right there, it looks like, on our right. That's a 2-story. That actually looks like a Moonstone, maybe, by the looks of it. Okay, let's take a right here on Cedar Elm Way. Pretty nice area here. These are all available in here on the left. There's a soccer field here on the right, a community soccer field, which we're going to stop and video. I'll interject that into the video as well for you guys. All right, guys, we interrupt this Elm Creek tour to show you the soccer park. Pretty cool. I'm not sure about the size of it. I'm not sure if it's a full-size field or a mini field. Maybe you soccer fans in the audience will know that, but I do not. But it's pretty dang nice. Look at this, huh? And it's only open, of course, to the folks that live here. And it's a nice sitting area. Looks like they may still be working on it a little bit, so I'm not sure what they're doing over there. They got something going on right there. So anyway, it's got some barbecue pits right there. Let's go take a look at those real quick. So nice little community space, that's for sure. Like I said, I'm not sure what that's going to be. Pretty nice, and it's got the fake grass there, the AstroTurf sort of grass, so it'll always be looking nice. Yeah, it looks like they're still kind of working on it, so pretty nice. All right, let's get on with the tour. All right, that's pretty cool. I haven't seen a soccer field like that, picnic area or community gathering space in a soccer field in a community, so that's different. Another thing you'll notice, the paver driveways, they're all standard in here, okay? 8-foot doors standard, 9-foot ceilings on the first floor, then your standard 6/8 doors on the second floor. So all Hardy lap siding, board and batten siding. So all good products, tankless hot water heaters because it is a natural gas community using Renai. There's a quick move-in right there on the right-hand side. There's an inventory home. So still quite a bit of availability here in Elm Creek, even though it's been up for a couple of years now. So, but it won't be long. I wouldn't anticipate this lasting through maybe the middle of next year, and they'll be completely sold out. That's just my thought process on that. So, but you can see the streetscape of how nice all the different elevations. They have shake siding. I see some shake siding as well. Pretty nice. I like it. I like the community. There's not too many communities around that aren't really nice looking anymore. So let's get you back to the model center so you can get a full complete tour of the community. Very nice. There's a deputy living in there, so okay, very safe. Safe to live next door to him or her. We want to thank our first responders, our military. I was a firefighter for 30 years, so I get being away from home sometimes. I get what people do, so you never want to forget about folks that take care of us, right? All right, pretty dang nice. All right, we're coming back to where the model center is now. So not a big community. This tour's not going to take super long, but in some ways that's kind of nice. You probably get to know most of the people that live in the community if you move in here. So see between those two homes right there, see how wide it is? That's an easement. See that drainage area right there? That's an easement. So those two houses are going to have some really nice space between them. Pretty dang nice. All right, we're back at the model center. All right, gang, hope you guys enjoyed the tour of Elm Creek today by Richmond American here at SilverLeaf. We do appreciate you coming along. We're always honored to give you great information. Give us a call if we can help. We'd love to learn a little bit more about you and what you're trying to accomplish and let you learn a little bit about us as well. So anyway, I want you to have a great day. We appreciate you.